welcome back to our channel. This week's video will be very special as Diwali is coming up. I want to do some Diwali decor ideas which you can easily make at home. In today's video, I'll be showing you 6 different DIY decor ideas. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, please watch few of my videos, and if you like them, please consider subscribing. And without any further ado, let's get in. For this DIY, we're gonna take Diya and paint it according to our choice. You can also use used Diya here as we're gonna paint it with gesso first. If you don't have gesso, you can also use white paint instead. Once the gesso is completely dry, now apply the paint of your choice. Only after the first coat is completely dried, then only apply the second coat. I wanted a really bright color, so I'm applying another coat. Now I'm just taking a white acrylic paint and drawing the design. For this decor, I'm taking a watercolor sheet. If you have an acrylic sheet, that's even better. And I have taken this round cardboard and cutting the paper same size as the cardboard, and now just sticking the paper to the cardboard using the glue. Now take any air dry clay using which we are going to make it like a thread, like I am showing in the video. Now I am taking the glue and attaching it to the cardboard. Now I'm applying white paint to the clay, and then rest of it I'm gonna paint it again. This is how it has turned out. I think it turned out really beautiful, and it's very simple to make. It's just made from cardboard and clay, so give it a try if you like this. For the next DIY, I'm taking a multicolor cardstock paper. Using this green sheet as reference, I'm cutting the other 4 sheets. For the next DIY, I'm gonna take terracotta pots and paint them. This will be a super simple and a fun project to do, as all you need are terracotta pots and the paint of your choice. For this DIY, I'm going to take gold cardstock paper, and using this we are going to make candle holder. Now using the hot glue, I am attaching the petals to the center part. For any festival, we need flowers, right? So in this DIY, I'll be making flowers using a napkin. This is a super simple process, and we can also easily make garlands and decor using this without actually buying them. As you just saw, these flowers are super easy to make, and using these flowers you can make garlands, or you can just use them as decor like I did. And yeah, that is all I got for this video, guys. And if you do like any of the DIYs that I have shown in this video, please like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comment section below which DIY you have liked the most. I post new videos every week, and every week I try to be something different. So to not miss it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And lastly, wish you all a very happy Diwali, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.